It's her birthday. Guess who, Ayan? It's our mommy.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mummy and Us. Today it's December 18 and it is Ayan's and Heena's mummy's birthday. So we are here in Pallikara Park. So Ayan and Heena are having a lot of fun near the beach. They are building sand castles. And see, Ayan is even digging for treasure. Ayan, are you looking out for treasure?
I was until my mommy gave me the idea of making a tunnel to the sea.
Are you digging a tunnel? And what about you, Heena?
Making a big fat sand castle.
Say hi to our friends.
Hi, I'm getting sandy. So today we're going on a walk in the countryside. Let's go.
Correct.
Countryside. Look, that's not good. The last one. There, the last Mama.
Where? Okay.
Hey, did you know there's another way to our house? To the countryside.
Hey, one day we spotted a peacock here, right?
Yeah.
You remember? Autumn leaves.
I hope we see a robin because that's the national bird of Britain.
Okay.
Welcome back to our house. Vital Ayan. Some birds chirping.
Some birds chirping. And what do you hear, Ayan?
Crickets.
Some crickets now. I don't hear any crickets. See if you can hear the cawing of the crow. No.
I hear birds chirping.
Birds chirping. Okay. And any other sound? The cows moving. Can you hear?
No.
I could hear a cow moving. Somewhere far. Just observe. Rose plant. There is a bird in it.
Bird?
Hey, Heena, you learned that rose is a kind of what? Is it a shrub or a herb?
It's a kind of bushy plant. What's that called? Shrub or herb?
Ayan, do you remember? Is it a shrub or a herb?
Herb or herb? Herb.
No, it's not a herb.
Shrub.
It's a shrub, yeah. What is this one?
Touch me now.
It's touch me now, see?
This one is bigger than me and my mama and my brother.
Once upon a time, there lived two siblings, Heena and Ayan. They were best friends, but Heena had a very bad habit. Let's see what it is. What is in your hand? You're decorating that plant with the flowers.
Why are you taking all that plant's decoration?
How do you feel?
Sad.
Why do you feel sad?
Nina plucked the flowers.
Okay, what would happen if she plucked the flowers?
The plants would get hurt.
The plant would get hurt, right? Silly Heena.
Decoration.
Can you hear that sound?
Yes.
Someone beating?
It's Nara and Uncle's wife.
Naran uncle's wife. What is she beating?
She's beating the floor with a sack.
No, she's not beating the floor with the sack. She's washing her clothes by beating it. Hey, do you see these white flowers? So pretty. Heena, please don't pick them. Heena's so rude.
Yeah, now, without flowers, butterflies won't have any nectar to eat.
Heena, are you listening?
I'm listening.
I thought you loved the nature. Don't you love the nature?
I love it. Because it's full of flowers. And she plucks them.
And what are the advantages of having so much plants and trees?
Oxygen, 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 so much oxygen.
Yes, if we don't have trees around us, we won't have enough oxygen to breathe. You know that human beings need oxygen to breathe, right? And what does the plant need?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good.
Wait. No.
The flower picker Heena is here. Show me your face. Hey, the sun is coming. We have to go in now. You know what? If there would be UV rays, right? It's not good for our skin. Let's go back. And our nature walk is over. Heena, look here. Why do you look so sad?
Nature walk over. I wanted to run, play, observe, listen.
Oh, we'll have another nature walk tomorrow morning. Okay?
No. Thank you for joining us in the nature walk. If you liked the nature walk, like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.